Hi, today we talk about this Chinese character, which I'm sure whether you know Chinese or don't know Chinese, I'm sure you have seen this character if you have ever experienced Chinese New Year. This is the character for fortune or blessings or good luck. In Chinese, Fu, Fu. So this is a character, we whenever we wish anyone who's to have good blessings in their lives. So we use this character Fu. So for Chinese New Year, we always put this sign, written on a square piece of paper and put it on the door, which means to wish that there will be blessings that will arrive to the family. I hope you enjoy this video. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.